So, you've been crafting for some time now and you're thinking about starting your own business or finding a way to sell your crafted products. But you have no idea about starting a business and the whole thing just feels a little bit overwhelming at the moment. I get it. When I started my business, I felt exactly the same way. And I'm sure if you ask any entrepreneur out there, they will also express feelings of overwhelm, confusion, and fear when they first started their business. It's completely normal. This is an exciting new chapter of your life, and you want to do it, right? So I've compiled a list of 5 tips to help you get started. Now, some of these tips might not seem like things that you need to worry about right now, but if you actually start working on these things now, then your business will actually have a higher chance of success from the get-go. And it will save you a lot of time further down the road. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Why did you start this business? What does your business stand for? What do you stand for? What do you want to share with your customers? Take some time to think about the answers to these questions and write them down. Your story is what makes your business unique and stand out from the crowd. You want to be sharing this story everywhere and with everyone that you meet. How was it made? What are the materials? How does it work? What does it do? Why is it different from similar products on the market? Again, take some time to think about these questions and any other questions that your potential customers might ask about your product. Have detailed answers prepared for each of these questions and try to tell a story in your answers as well. This will help to build on tip number 1, know your story. These are also stories that you want to be sharing everywhere. Don't just wait for your customer to ask these questions. Be a step ahead of them and answer the questions before they even think of them. What inspires you? What words represent your business? How do you want your customers to feel? What colors represent your story or message? Every successful business has strong branding, which instantly lets their customers know that this product, this social media post, this advert has been created by your business. This helps you to build a relationship with your customers, and relationships are what helps to bring in these sales. A brand also helps to show that your business is unique and different from everything else out there. What do you want to achieve by starting this business? How much time can you dedicate to working on this business? How long will it take to get everything set up? What obstacles could you encounter on your journey? Business is not one of those things that you can just wing your way through. You need to stop, think, and plan. Plan out everything in your business. Having a plan allows you to think ahead, set goals, and combat problems before they even happen. Of course, a plan is only good if you actually stick to it. But plans can also change, so be prepared to adapt on the fly as you need to. What do you need photos of? What equipment do you need to take photos? Where can you take photos? How can you share your story or message through photos? Visual content converts much better than written. Images are everywhere, and that's because the information retained from images is much faster than from written content. This is why you need to have standout photos of all of your products for your online store. Photos are the online equivalent of picking up a product in a store. This is the only way that they can get information about your product size, shape, color, texture, all of those things that they would get from having the product right in front of them. I hope that you have found these tips useful. If you need any more help with answering any of the questions that I have put to you in this video, then please book in for a free photo review session. The link is in the description. This is a 30-minute Zoom call where we can talk about your business and your photos to get you on the right track for starting your online store. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to improve your product photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.